next section is 7.4, which has two parts. The first part is adding and subtracting rational expressions. The second part is something called complex fractions. So the simplest fractions to add are when the denominators are already the same. So 3/8 plus 1/8 makes 4/8, and that would be the final answer unless there's reducing that can be done, and in this case it reduces to be 1/2. So same idea, 5 over 21x minus 2 over 21x, the denominator stays the same, and I subtract the numerators. And that would be the answer unless they're simplifying. So since both of these are divisible by 3, I get 1 over 7x. And then in the last one, the quantity x plus 3 is the denominator, so it stays the denominator. And then I add numerators, but they're not like terms, so 5x plus 15, which would be the answer unless I can simplify. And so what I'm going to do is factor the numerator, and I'm going to take out the 5 that they have in common, and I'm left with the quantity x plus 3. And then whether that denominator is put in parentheses or not doesn't change the fact that it is a quantity that can be reduced. So the answer is just 5. So in the same way that 4/8 is not the final answer, 5x plus 15 over x plus 3 is not the final answer. And same thing for 3 over 21x. I always want to simplify it as much as possible. And so when the denominators are the same, it's a little more straightforward.